Okay, using Artstor. Artstor is a digital library that has like 1.5 million digital images of arts, architecture, humanities, sciences, and they're from museums, photographers, libraries, scholars, photo archives, and artists' estates. So this is a great place to find information or images for your Greek mythology project. So we're just going to go to artstore.org. You can link through the library, but you don't have to because you have to, no matter what, you have to log in. So you enter the Artstor Digital Library, and then I've already logged in. It'll identify over here that you're logged in. The username and passwords on the passwords page, and it's also in the content block. I can't say it online because this is all public. So if I'm going to type in Zeus right here, okay, I want you to see you've got too many hits, right? You very well might want to decide that you want to go to photographs or prints or paintings or sculpture and get out of architecture and city planning. But you could take a look because you might decide you want to cover some sort of Zeus's temple or something. So we'll just do sculptures. Okay. So we're going to come through here and be careful because this is not going to pertain to your topic, right? It doesn't matter if Zeus is somewhere in the description. You need to be a discerning user of information. Okay, so it's going to go here. And now the option for you to get this image, this tells you what museum it's in, but that's not part of the citation. But that if that ever becomes a question for somebody, sometimes you'll find a teacher that wants that kind of information, and it is available here. We're going to go to download file, and then you have to accept your terms of condition. And then it's downloaded to your local computer, and you're going to need to upload it to your Google Drive. So let me go back to your results. Just notice that you have all these types of delimiters over here. You can decide you want very old artwork. This is stuff that would have been made at the time. You can decide you want things from Europe or Western Asia in this case, because they're going to, obviously they touch, but you're going to have different influences. There's all sorts of different ways you can limit this. You will find a lot of stuff that comes later on in the Renaissance period about the Greek gods and goddesses that might be very interesting. A lot of they depict a lot of the stories in the artwork, which you might find interesting. And you could do that by changing it to 100,000 CE to maybe 1800. Oh, I am wrong. Oh, it's because I've got sculpture. There we go. I've limited it too much. Okay, now you've got, here we go, Rubens of Zeus, and I don't even know who the name is, Ganymede. Okay, so you will see a lot of stories being told in Renaissance art that you might find interesting for this project.